Would you know whom to communicate with during time of an emergency? Would you know whom to communicate with and let them know who you were, where you were, and what you needed if you found yourself the victim of a hurricane, tornado, earthquake, or possibly something much worse? Hello, I'm JP Leitch, the architect of the Personal Emergency Response Link software system, or PEARL for short. PEARL is the first software application that allows individual citizens to directly communicate with the emergency response personnel during time of an emergency. Each emergency response always contains the same group of individuals. Naturally, there are the citizens who are affected by the situation, but also there are the first responders, such as police, fire, and volunteers who are providing services to these people, as well as the Emergency Operations Command, or the EOC. The emergency response communication model hasn't changed for decades, and that's for a reason. Understanding that they couldn't handle the massive amounts of information received by the public, the Emergency Operations Command deliberately decided to exclude them because they were essentially noise in the system. PEARL is the first of its kind emergency response communication system specifically designed for direct communication between affected citizens and emergency response personnel during time of emergency. So how does PEARL work? When an emergency is declared, the Emergency Operations Command activate the system. The public, then by using their smartphone, can start to provide information to the Emergency Operations Command. As the user provides information, PEARL automatically processes and categorizes all of this information. PEARL makes sense out of all of the noise. It summarizes and filters this information in a powerful manner and provides it to Emergency Operations Command so that they can then act upon it in a meaningful way. PEARL does this with tens of thousands of records at the exact same time. PEARL now provides the Emergency Response Command and first responders with an unprecedented level of situational awareness. So how does PEARL process all of this information where others have failed? It's actually very simple. First, the PEARL interface has at its core a map of the affected area. As information is gathered from the individuals and summarized onto the screen, PEARL processes this information and will automatically determine which records meet a high priority. These high priority records can simply be clicked upon by any of the first responders, and they can see the record of that affected citizen. Well, PEARL now provides the peace of mind to the individual citizen right in the palm of their hand. PEARL will allow you a direct line of communication with the Emergency Operations Command. So, look below for additional videos where I provide further detail on the application, and please look to the right and do whatever you can to help us make PEARL a reality. We need your help. Thank you very much.